Good morning everyone. Today I will teach you economics. The topic is money. Let us first know the meaning of money. A thing which is commonly used as medium of exchange. As we know, in the older times, the money was not created. So, the system which was used in the older time, that was barter system, in which commodities were exchanged for commodities. We can also say it CC economy. CC economy means commodity to commodity economy, which means we can exchange commodity for commodity if we need something from other person. So it was not a great system because the need of one person cannot be the need of another person. So the system was not so good and it has some drawback which made it. Drawbacks were double coincidence of bond, which means if I need wheat, the other person may not need the same thing. Double coincidence of bond. Second was store of value. Store of value means the commodity cannot be stored for longer time as it can be destroyed or can be something else. Third, transfer of value. The commodity which were kept in one place cannot be easily transferred to another place, so it lacked transfer of value. Fourth, future payments. It was not able to pay the payment which were for future time. As we purchase something now and we say that we pay it afterward, which was not applicable for this system. For these four things, it was not a great system. For that reason, money was created. So money first was created in alloy metal. Then came gold and silver, and lastly paper money, or we can say plastic money. For these reasons, barter system was not applicable. For taking care of that, money was created. Money was created firstly in alloy metal, then in gold and silver, after lastly in paper or plastic money. Why does it was created? It has four reasons. The same double coincidence of want. If you want to purchase something, we can exchange with the exchange of money. I will give you some money and you will give me the purchased item. Store of value. We can easily store our money anywhere easily and affordably. Third, transfer of value. It can be easily transferred from one place to the another without any extra cost. Future payment. It can be easily done for the future payments because it is purchase something now and we can easily pay the payment afterward in the future time. So that's Clear for you? It's enough for today. Thank you and have a nice day.